hearing my voice from. Governor Soludo, thank you so very much. Thank you so very, very much, because, I mean, God brought you in this journey for you to rescue our people. We really appreciate everything that you're doing. Governor Soludo, please, as you have apprehended Akwa ọkụkọ, because Akwa ọkụkọ gwara anyị na oke ite is the only way you trying to get jaburu. Biko ejim Chineke na eluigwe na arịọ gị. Anyị chọrọ ka ị jụọrọ anyị Akwa ọkụkọ, biko investigate this thing thoroughly. Those okite no ya, I need the rema ndogworo that okite. I need the rema the people that are owner of those okite. We need to know their names. We need to know where they are from. We need to know the state, their origin, their age, and what they do. Because okite always come at the end of the month, or at the end of the year, or at the end of the week to put more sacrifice. And so all of the names of those people, Biko, Governor Soludo, I Cherokee take your turn. She onye the owner of those okite. I need their names, and I need the ingredients, the materials, the things this okite. These are the investigations that we public we need to know. What are the ingredients of those okite? Because I remember. Before Facebook would disable that my page, when I started this campaign, I was the first person that brought this okite. I told them that here okite, human pass, children, young virgins, young vibrant guys, those that have never slept with any woman or any man. These are the ingredients okite. Because I remember when I was growing up, my grandfather told me about this okite thing. Let me swallow it. Because ogu jeri ishi abo. Yeme bino yeme bo mugino. Ashe why empire progress? Why the children? Why are they not progressing? Our youth now, they want to eat and die. What their generations are facing, what their children are going to face. It's all about get rich today and die tomorrow. That is what they are focusing on. So it's not about they don't know the implication of things. But we are the generation that knows the implication of what they are doing. We need to put hands together and support this atrocity and stop this atrocity. We need to put an end to it. All these things we are doing is to make sure that these stories we are told that human pass mokite, young virgins, children, amarife, those are the materials, those are the ingredients, those are the accessories that they put together to form this okite. And for those of you that have been following me for years, that my page, almost 1.something million Facebook would disable because of evil ones that were reporting it. That time I started this okite. That was why my page was brought down. Definitely, some Debians joined me live. Some Debians are trying to convince us. One of them made a statement there. He said that they do go to mortuaries and collect dead bodies parts. I wish I saved those videos. I never knew that my page would be disabled. This young Dibia made a confession that I begin to ask, why would you guys go to mortuary and take people's loved ones? They have lost their lives. People's husbands, people's children, people's wives. Unagana mortuary. That were there, but let us agree on what they said. But who they will be? Gano no ebe madu to their loved ones. That betem una wonde mortuary attendance ugo. Una that very body parts madu. In the name of Gene, in the name of Okite. I begin to question myself. You know, they will not tell you the truth. They can only come out to use in the time of reference. Oh no, even if it's the dead or the living. Who gave you the audacity? Who gave you the right? Who gave you the state of command for you to take people, loved ones, Ghanaian people? Tell me where is ordeal? Even in America, where I reside, you respect the dead. You respect Onyamunamu. You dare not mess with people, loved ones, because of your selfish interests. Which I know that the young Dibia was trying to convince the deaf ones. They believe no keep. But I really questioned his capability that day. He could not stand me. That was the initial time I started this campaign. 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. I am an indigene of Anambra State. I am from Osumenya. I'm from Nnewi South. So nobody, no Jupiter will tell me why am I interfering. I am interfering because they are my blood. That is where I come from. That is where I'm from. So nobody should come and tell me that I should not interfere. In this campaign I started before Ununine. I was the first person that took the ball by the horn. Now I'm going by myself. And you see all these people that always come to my comment section are the people that from Omenala Diga. Those are the young boys. At night, Hana de Huna. At night, there is no peace because they are looking for cheap money. Some of them when they date, they will die. Some of them when they date, they will tell them man, will tell them power, will tell them children. Why also anybody that will stand against the Holy Ghost fire? Anybody that says will never leave to complete this task, I send it back to sender. It shall never be well with you and your generation. So Rudo, you must leave. You must because God appointed you for a reason. Any Jupiter, any that will start to oppose this journey. Oh God in heaven, please strike that person to death. Because this journey is a journey that we fight. All of us will put hands together. All of us will join and put an end to these atrocities. Then after that, Governor Sorudo, you can also go into prostitution. Please, I beg of you. I came back to Nigeria. Anyway, that will be part 2. Can I push a video on that because I don't want it to be long. I will mix part 1, part 2, part 3, and I will post all the videos. Take your time and watch it. No bad guy, no one will shut my mouth. I will continue to say the truth. If you don't like the truth, if you don't like what I'm saying, to hell with you, to hell with anything that you stand to represent. Governor Sorudo, you will live long. Your children will live long. May your days be long. Thank you, sir.
Gwazem dilize Sorudo jinja achohari nda na ihe nne mụrụ chifu na ụtọ mmadụ ya achọ ihe ya arụ na izuzugharị na ihe human being no Chineke kere eke na arụ n'ụwa instead of it to be productive in life mmadụ anọdụ na izuzugharị. May God bless our governor Professor Charles Sorudo na mbọ niile ọ na-agba maka na ọ dụrụ easy without our governor onye ma ebe ndị agha weriala wee ruo wee jedebe. Chineke nna save anyị n'obodo anyị awụ ana Igbo. Instead of a young boy do productive in life, je chọọ ife ya ka ọ bara ya uru. Ba uru na mmadụ. Tell me where we are heading to. Kedu ebe anyị na-eje? Ụmụaka amụọ nwe echi niile gba otochicha this thing if I have work on you useless their life damage efe entirely. And the mmadụ pụta asị ga na-achọ ọdịnala.